Hi students, this is maths video for class 4. Today we are going to see the same topic long and short. Now open your book to the page number 13. See what is the lesson name long and short. In that lesson already we have seen kilometer, meter, centimeter, which is short, which is longer, everything we have seen. Today we are going to see Indian records and world records. It is in the page number 18. See, here are the Indian records and world records for some jumps. Sports, world record, Indian record. First one, high jump in men. Xavier S. 2 meter 45 centimeter. His record is 2 meter and 45 centimeter. In Indian record, Chandrapal. Here, his record is 2 meter and 17 centimeter. And then long jump in men, Mike P. His record is 8 meter and 95 centimeter. In India, Amrit Pal. His record is 8 meter and 8 centimeter. High jump in women, Stefka K. Her record is 2 meter and 9 centimeter. Bobby A. Her record is 1 meter and 91 centimeter. Long jump in women, Galina C. Her record is 7 meter and 52 centimeter. Anju G. Her record is 6 meter and 83 centimeter. Find out from the table. See now this two questions. Now I am going to explain on the board. See how many centimeters more should Chandrapal jump to equal the men's world record for high jump? How many centimeters more should Chandrapal jump to equal the men's world record for high jump? See solution. Already I said 1 meter is equal to how many centimeter? 100 centimeter. You just remember that. Given men's world record for high jump is 2 meter and 45 centimeter. Men's world record for high jump is 2 meter and 45 centimeter. First, what they are asked, how many centimeter? So, in the meter, we want to convert into centimeter. 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeter. So, that 2 into 100 centimeter. Why? Because it is in meter. So, we want to convert into centimeter. So, 2 into 100 centimeter plus 45 centimeter. So, 2 into 100, it will become 200. 200 centimeter plus 45 centimeter, we will get 245 centimeter. And then, high jump record of Chandrapal. He is an Indian recorder. So, high jump record for Chandrapal is 2 meter and 17 centimeter. This 2 meter also we want to convert into centimeter. So 2 into 100 centimeter plus 17 centimeter. 200 centimeter plus 17 centimeter. That is equal to 217 centimeter. They ask how many centimeter more. So we want to find out the difference. 245 centimeter minus 217. See. 245 centimeter minus 217 centimeter. So we want to subtract. 5 minus 7 is not possible. So we want to borrow. Here it will become 3. Here it will become 15. 7 minus 15, nothing, 8. See 3 minus 1, 2. So how many centimeter he need? Chandrapal need to jump. How many centimeter? 28 centimeter more. Then only he will beat the world record. So how many centimeter he need? He need 28 centimeter more. Now look at the second question. How many centimeters higher should Bobby jump to reach 2 meters? How many centimeters higher should Bobby A jump to reach 2 meters. Solution. Bobby A high jump record is 1 meter 91 centimeter. They ask how many centimeter they need to reach 2 meters. Here also we want to convert into centimeter. See, 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeter. So 1 into 100 centimeter plus 91 centimeter, that is equal to 191 centimeter. He reached 2 meter. 2 meter nothing. 2 into 100, that is equal to 200 centimeter. They ask how many centimeter more to reach 2 meter. So 2 meter means 200 centimeter minus he reached 191 centimeter. So subtract both. 0 minus 1 is not possible. Here also 0 minus 9 is not possible. So borrow from here. It will become 10. If we give, here it will become 9. Here it is 10. So 10 minus 1, 9. 9 minus 9, 0. 1 minus 1, 0. So Bobby A should jump how many centimeter high? 9 centimeter higher to reach 2 meters. He want to reach 2 meters. How many centimeter he need? 9 centimeter. Now open your book. I briefly explain the next topic. See, remember that 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeter. 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeter. Half meter means nothing. Already I said half means you want to divide by 2. 2 5s are 10 and 1 0 is 0, that remaining. So totally half meter means 50 centimeter. 100 divided by 2, that is equal to 50 centimeter. See, Galina's long jump is nearly. Where is Galina? See, Galina is world recorder. Her jump is 7 meter and 52 centimeter. Now I said 50 half meter means nothing, 50 centimeter. She also scored recorded 7 meter and 52 centimeter. That is nearly 7.5 meters. It is not more than 80. So it is near to 50. So 7.5 meters. Look at the women's world record. What is the difference between longest jump and highest jump? This is a world record. See difference between, we want to difference between long jump and high jump. What is the long jump? Long jump is 7 meter and 52 centimeter. And then highest jump record is 2 meter and 9 centimeter. Difference means already I said in your lower class, that means in grade 3 I said difference means minus. We want to subtract. So 7 meter and 52 centimeter minus 2 meter and 9 centimeter. See, 2 minus 9 is not possible. So we want to borrow. Here it will become 4. Here it will become 12. So 12 minus 9, 3. Then 4 will come. There is no number. So 4 will come downwards. 7 minus 2, 5. So totally 5 meter and 43 centimeter. What is the difference? 5 meter and 43 centimeter. See, if Mike P could jump dash centimeter long, his jump would be full 9 meters. See, where is Mike P? Here Mike P. His record is 8 meter 95 centimeter. They asked would be full of 9 meters. 9 meters. So 9 meter 0 centimeter. How longer means we want to find out the difference. So 9 meter minus 8 meter and 95 centimeter. See, 8 meter and 95 centimeter. Here 0 minus 5 is not possible. So we want to borrow. Here it will become 10. Then here it will become 10. See, 10 minus 5, 5. 9 minus 9, 0. Here 8 minus 8, 0. So totally how many centimeter long? 5 centimeter long. Then his jump would be full 9 meters. Whose high jump is very close to 2.5 meters? See, look at the record. Whose jump is very close to 2.5 meters? See, first one is Stefka. Stefka is 2 meter and 9 centimeter. That is not equal to 2.5. Chandrapal. Chandrapal also 2 meter and 17 centimeter. That is not, that also not. Xavier. See, look at Xavier. Xavier is 2 meter and 45 centimeter. It is a little bit close to 2.5 meter. See, Barbie, we not consider because she did not reach 1 meter, 2 meter also. So, who is very close to 2.5 meter? Xavier, yes. So, Xavier, yes. Look at the next page, running exercise. The doctor has told Devi Prasad to run 2 km every day to stay fit. He took one round of this field. How far did he run? The field was very far from his home. So he chose a park nearby. The boundary of the park was about 400 meters long. See, the doctor has told to Devi Prasad, you have to run 2 km every day to stay fit. How far did he run? So, he chose the park nearby. Here is the park. The boundary of the park about 400 meters long. Boundary of the park. Boundary means the outer line. So, the boundary of the park was about 400 meters long. How many rounds of the park must Devi Prasad run to complete 2 km? See, one round is equal to 400 meter. One round is equal to 400 meter. He wants to complete 2 km. Now I am going to briefly explain on the board. See, one day weather was very good and cool breeze was blowing. He felt so good that he kept jogging till he got tired after 8 rounds. See, after 8 rounds. That day he ran how many kilometers and how many meters? They asked. One day the weather was very good. So he felt so good that he kept jogging till he got tired after 8 rounds. So first we want to find out for 8 rounds. Then we want to convert into kilometer and meter. See, next one. How many rooms high? The Qutub Minar is 72 meters high. See, this is the Qutub Minar. This meter is 72 meters high. About how many meters high is in your classroom? See, now approximately I am going to write. Our classroom height is 6 meter. Simply we are consider our classroom height is 6 meter. So, guess how many rooms one on top of others will be equal to the Qutub Minar? See, the Qutub Minar height is 72 meters. One on the top means above. One room is here, another room is here, next like that. So, how many rooms one on top of other will be equal to the Qutub Minar? Explain how you made a guess. Now, I am going to write. See, the Qutub Minar height is 72 meter. What is our classroom height? Our classroom height is 6 meter. So, if we divide, that is equal to the Qutub Minar. One on the top of the other means we want to divide. So, 72 divided by 6. See, 6 12s are 72. So, 72 minus 72, 0. So, guess how many rooms one on the top of the other will be equal to the Qutub Minar. So, 12. How many rooms? 12 rooms. That is equal to Qutub Minar height. Look at the question. How many rounds of the park must Devi Prasad run to complete 2 km? Solution, 2 km. First we want to convert the kilometer into meter. So 1 kilometer is equal to how many meter? 1000 meter. So here we are going to convert meter into kilometer into meter. So 2 into 1000 meter, that is equal meter. Hence, to complete 2000 meter, Devi Prasad must complete how many rounds? We want to find out how many rounds he wants to complete. See, one round is equal to 400 meter. Already I said the park boundary is 400 meter. So, 2000 meter divided by 400 meter. Why we are going to divide by 400? Then only we want to find out for how many rounds. So, one round is equal to 400 meter, but he completed 2000 meter. So, we want to find out. Already I said don't consider the 0. Here also you cancel the 0. How many 4 will make 20? 4 5s are 20. So, Devi Prasad has to complete how many rounds? 5 rounds of the path. That is equal to 2000 meter. Next, he ran 8 rounds. That day he ran how many kilometer and how many meters? One day he feel very good, so he ran up to he got tired after 8 rounds. Already I said 1 kilometer is equal to 1000 meter. So 1 round is equal to how many meters? 400 meters. So distance covered by Devi Prasad to complete 8 rounds of the path. 1 round is equal to 400 meters. So 8 round means 8 into 400. Already in multiplication, don't consider the 0. You just consider the number. 4 8s are 36. Then finally add this. That is 8 into 400. That is equal to 3600. See, 3600. We have to split 3000 plus 600. See, 3000, first we are 3000 we are going to convert into kilometer. 1000 meter is equal to 1 kilometer. So, 3000 divided by 1000. Why? 1000 meter is equal to 1 kilometer. So, 0, 0. So, 3 only. 3 kilometer and how many meters? 600 meters. So, that day he ran 3 kilometers and 600 meters. Rooms high. The Qutub Minar is 72 meters high. See, this is the Qutub Minar. This meter is 72 meters high. About how many meters high is in your classroom? See, now approximately I am going to write. Our classroom height is 6 meter. Simply we are consider our classroom height is 6 meter. So guess how many rooms one on top of others will be equal to the Qutub Minar. See, the Qutub Minar height is 72 meters. One on the top means above. One room is here, another room is here, next like that. So, how many rooms one on top of other will be equal to the Qutub Minar? Explain how you made a guess. Now I am going to write. See, the Qutub Minar height is 72 meter. What is our classroom height? Our classroom height is 6 meter. So, if we divide, that is equal to the Qutub Minar. One on the top of the other means we want to divide. So, 72 divided by 6. See, 6 12s are 72. So, 72 minus 72, 0. So, guess how many rooms one on the top of the other will be equal to the Qutub Minar. So, 12. How many rooms? 12 rooms. That is equal to Qutub Minar height. See, from Kozhikode to Thalassery. From Kozhikode to Thalassery. Subodh is going to Kozhikode. See, he is Subodh. He is going to Kozhikode, which is 24 kilometers away. See, here 24 kilometers away. Manjani is going to Thalassery, which is 46 kilometers away from the opposite direction. See, they both are, she is Manjini. They both are standing in opposite direction. She wants to go to Talasheri and he wants to go Kozhikode. So, how far is Kozhikode from Talasheri? See, we want to add this both 24 kilometer and 46. We want to add this 24 plus 46. Why? Because they both are standing in opposite direction. They are standing in the middle of the two places. Not middle, not exactly middle. They are in the middle. So we want to add this two distance. Then only we want to find out how far is Kozhikode from Talasheri. See, 24 plus Talasheri 46. So 6 plus, so here I will write 24 plus 46. See, 4 plus 6, 10. Carry 1. So 4 plus 2, 6. 6 plus 1, 70. So totally how? 70 kilometer. How far is Kozhikode from Talasheri? The Kozhikode from Talasheri is about 70 kilometer. And then look at next one. How far is your home from school? Momon comes to school from very far. See, Momon comes to school very far. He first walks about 400 meters to the pond. With the slipper in his hand, he then walks 150 meters through the pond. Next, he runs across the 350 meters wide green field. Then he carefully crosses the 40 meters wide road to reach his school. See, he is Momon. He comes to school. Momon house is here and school is there. So, he first walks about 400 meters to the pond. See, Momon house is here. He walks about 400 meters to the pond. See, the distance between home to pond is 400 meters. Then, he walks about 150 meters through the pond. See, 150 meters through the pond. Then, he next across the 350 meters the green field. And then finally he crosses the 40 meters wide road. Okay. How much does Momon walk every day to reach school? See, first he walks 400 meters. And then through the pond he walks 150 meters. Next he across 350 meter green field and finally he crosses 40 meters wide road. So we want to add this all. So I will add here 400 plus 150 plus 350 plus 40. Now I add all this. 0 plus 0, 0. 5 plus 5, 10. 10 plus 4, 14. Carry 1 here. See, 4 plus 1, 5. 5 plus 3, 8. 8 plus 1, 9. So, totally crosses 940 meter every day. He walks every day to reach school 940 meters. Is it more than 1 kilometer? See, we want to find out 1 kilometer is equal to 1000 meter. See, it is only 940. It is less than, see which is more, 940 or 1000? 1000 only more, 940 is less than. So, is it more than 1 kilometer? No, it is not more than 1 kilometer. It is less than 1 kilometer. Now look at the next page. Find out how far your friends live from school and fill the table. Write in meters or kilometer. You write your friend's name. See, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 friends' name and distance of home from school. You write that. Who among you lives nearest to the school? See, if it is nearest to school, who lives? You write the friend's name. Who lives farthest from the school? Farthest means more. Distance more than nearest. So, farthest means you write the name here, friend's name. How many children lives less than 1 kilometer away from your school? See, 1 kilometer is equal to 1000 meter. If it is any member 50 meters and then half kilometer means how many children live less than 1 kilometer? You write the children numbers in numbers. If it is 3 members means you write 3 here. Okay. Is there is anyone who lives more than 5 kilometer away from the school? How do they come to school? Is there anyone who lives more than 5 kilometer away from the school? You just ask how do they come to the school? By van, by car, whatever you write that. Okay. See, guess and find out. Guess and find out. How long is the thread reel? How long is the thread in a reel? See, do you know thread in a reel? The length of the thread can be measured depending upon the thickness of reel. How long is the thread in reel? The length of the thread can be measured depending on the thickness of the reel. It may be 60 meters, 90 meters or 100 or more than 400 or 500. That is depending upon the thickness of the reel. And then second question, how long is the string in a kite reel? Can it be more than kilometers long? See, in a kite reel can be more than a kilometer long. It may be 500 meters or 900 meters or 1000 meters. A kite reel can be more than kilometers long. How long is the string of a kite reel? See, in the quarantine days, we are making the kite, no? So, how long is the string of a kite reel? Can it be more than kilometer long? Yes, it can be more than a kilometer long. If a handkerchief is made out of a single thread, how long would that thread be? See, the length of the thread may be about 4000 meters. If a handkerchief is made out of a single thread. See, if a handkerchief is made out of a single thread, how long would that thread be? The thread would be 4000 meters. So here write you 4000 meters. Now turn the next page. I wish I were. I wish I were. I wish I were a kite so that I could rise above this building's height. I wish I were a bird so that I could fly and reach above that kite. See, I wish I were a kite so that I could rise above this building's height. See, if I were a kite, I would rise above this building. I wish I were a bird so that I could fly and reach above that kite. See, the kite is reached above the bird. I wish I were a cloud so that I could move above those little birds. See, the little birds, the cloud is more than little birds high. I wish I were a plane so that I could rise above the clouds and the hills. The fish fly above the hills and clouds. Try to find out which is the height of the building that have you seen about how many room high was it? Which is the highest building that you have seen? About how many room high was it? See, the highest building that I saw is Qutub Minar. The highest building is Qutub Minar. It is about 25 rooms height. How many rooms? 25 rooms height. One top of the another. How high can a kite go? Can it go higher than Qutub Minar? Yes, a kite can go higher than Qutub Minar. It may go about 100 meters high. How high can a kite go? Can it go higher than Qutub Minar? Yes, the kite can go higher than Qutub Minar. It can go 100 meters high. How high can a plane fly? Can it fly higher than Mount Everest, which is about 9 km height? Yeah, plane can fly more than 10,000 meters high. Yes, it can fly. It can fly higher than Mount Everest, which is about 9 kilometers. Have you ever seen clouds below you? No, we can't see the clouds below ourselves because the clouds are too high. Thank you, students.